Hi there, thank you very much for joining me. My name's Paul. Behind me today I've got the L2H2 limited edition Ford Transit Custom 300 in race red. Going to take you on a quick walk around, show you some of the features and the benefits that this fantastic van's got to offer to you and to your business. So let's have a look around. Okay, so the L2H2 limited edition Ford Transit Custom. First thing to point out, 71 plates. There is still some manufacturer's warranty attached to this vehicle. However, since we've put this vehicle through a 128-point AA inspection, it does come with 1 year's breakdown cover included for one call out in the year, and also for 3 months AA covered warranty. Now, this warranty can be upgraded to 1, 2, or 3 years of extended warranty. Now, to break that down a little bit, $599 is the warranty cover for a 3-year extended warranty. On a 5-year hire purchase deal, that's going to work out at £10 per month, which is what it costs to insure a mobile phone. The roadside assistance for £1 per month. You can also upgrade this to unlimited call-outs as well. On top of that, we've applied a triple layer Gardex treatment to the vehicle. Now, that's a paint protection pack. That's going to give you some protection against negative effects of UV from sunlight, acidity and rainwater, anything at all that's going to cause premature aging, dimming or deterioration to that lovely finish. Now, as we've said, this is a limited edition, so loads of extra features for you. On the front, you've got parking sensors there on the front and the back of the vehicle. Fog lights, so if you're driving in diminished visibility conditions, it's going to make you much safer. You've got those lovely powerful xenon headlights there, LED daytime running lights, colour-coded bumpers and trims as we're working our way around the vehicle. With the limited editions, you've also got those lovely Ford alloy wheels as well. On the back of the vehicle, there you go, you've got those lovely parking sensors there on the back bumper as well. 2 full-size barn-style doors. They're going to give you maximum access to the back of the vehicle. Your sliding door there is on the near side as well. Diesel and AdBlue filler cap between that sliding door and your passenger door. You've also got colour-coded mirror housings. Now, to add to that, the mirrors on the limited edition are power fold mirrors as well. So, loads and loads going on there on the outside for you. Let's have a look inside. Okay, so into the back storage area of the vehicle. Now, in terms of dimensions, across the width of the vehicle, 130 centimetres between those wheel arches, 174 centimetres from the floor to the bottom of those LED bright lights on the top. From the bulkhead there along the floor all the way to the back, and you've got 285 centimetres of decent usable storage length. So loads and loads of room in the back. Now, as you can see, the back is already ply lined, so that's a feature of the limited editions, that you will have the lining and that hard surface on the floor. So if anything should fall in the back, it's nice to know the vehicle itself is nicely protected. You've also got a series of harnessing points. If you need anything harnessed down or tied down for any reason at all, safety, stability, any reason whatsoever, it's going to be very easy for you to do so. Just looking at your doors, now they do open out to 90 degrees as you can see. However, we can just pull back on those check straps, open them out. That's going to enable those doors to open all of the way out to 180 degrees. That's going to maximise the access for us into the back storage area. Just moving around to the near side now. So we've got the flap at the bottom left of the bulkhead there. That lifts up. That's going to give us 45 centimetres of space under the passenger seats. We've also got an additional 45 centimetres of storage above the cab there as well. That's good for up to 20 kilos of weight. As we said, we've got those super bright LED clusters in the back, 4 of those. So if you're working in the dark, it's going to make that nice and easy for you, whilst not using loads of power at the same time. So loads and loads going on there on the inside of the storage area. Let's jump round to the cab and have a look in there. Okay, so looking in the door channels, loads and loads of storage room in there for you, electronically controlled windows, mirrors, central locking. As we said, those mirrors are power fold mirrors. So all I'm going to do is pull back on the control lever for those. That's going to close those in. Doing so again is going to open those mirrors out for me. Looking at your seats, 3 adjustable headrests for maximum convenience, pull down picnic table, really useful for any invoicing, billing or journal entries. Underneath the armrest, you've got an extra wheel there. That's for the lumbar support for the driver's seat. As we said, driver's armrest as well for added convenience. You've got the option to adjust the angle of the backrest and the base of the driver's seat, along with the height adjuster there as well. So lots and lots going on there for us. Before we jump in, lighting controls, you've got automatic headlights included. That's another feature of the limited editions. In terms of more conveniences, you've got a bottle holder and a cup holder at each extreme end of the vehicle. You've also got an additional cup holder that pulls out from under the gear stick. So from here, let's start the vehicle up. Clutch down. Now as you see, the vehicle starts up nice and easy first time. Looking at your dash display, nice crystal clear, easy to read display there. No warning lights on the dash at all, 39,000 miles on the clock. You've got an adjustable central display to go through the options on there. I'm just using the menus and the D-pad there on the right side of the steering wheel. Underneath there, you've got hands-free cooling and track controls, voice controls as well. On the other side, you've got your volume controls right underneath the cruise control options. Indicators on the left stalk, wiper controls on the right. Moving over, you've got 6-speed manual gearbox to complement the 2-litre diesel engine, 1995 cc's. Above that, we've got the climate controls. So with this, as this is a limited edition, 3-stage heated seats in the front of the vehicle. Air conditioning is included as well. Heated front windscreen, heated mirrors, so lots and lots of extra conveniences there for you. Included with the vehicle as well is the automatic stop-start. You've got the traction control option there. You've got driving modes between normal and eco mode, so that's going to come up on the dash when you opt for whichever one you prefer. Option to turn off and on the parking sensors. And up from there, we've got the large screen media system. So feature of the limited editions is this large screen system. Touch screen system, DAB radio included there. You've got the option to connect your phone via Bluetooth for hands-free calling and media streaming. But you've also got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity. So connecting your phone through the USB down there, or the one behind the steering wheel there. And you're going to mirror your phone onto this device. Really useful to use anything like Google Maps, Waze, SatNav app, Apple Maps, anything at all like that. So loads and loads going on there for us. So that is the L2H2 Ford Transit Custom Limited Edition in race red. I'm sure you'd agree, fantastic van. Absolutely fantastic looking van, lots and lots of features there and benefits for you and for your business. Now if there's anything at all that we can do to be of assistance with the purchase, if you wish to discuss one of our fantastic personalised finance deals, please feel free to let us know. It'll be a pleasure to look after you however we possibly can. Aside from that, if you can hit that 5-star review button for me, that would be greatly appreciated on my part. Once again, thank you very, very much for your time today. Have a lovely day ahead. We'll look forward to speaking to you very, very soon. Bye now.